Hey, hold this for a second. Record me for a second. Just hold it and point it at me. You got it? Hey, what's going on YouTube? This is Crewmidnight right now. We out here at the summer show off. You know, we throwing it down and everything. I got VIC out here and a bunch of these other guys out here doing their thing. We got Hans over here with a bad one, Go-Go Crew doing their thing too, you know what I'm saying? So it's hot, and it's really hot. It's fucked. My balls are sweating. Nah, I'm just fucking with you. But you know, anyway, let's go walk around, check out some of these cars and shit, you know. I'll show you what's hot, besides the ladies. What's up, Matt? Yeah, Crewmidnight member out here at the summer show off, man. How you like it?
It's pretty awesome. Chicks, bikes, cars, live music. That's cool.
Hell yeah, that's how we doing it, man. Crewmidnight out here, you know what I'm saying? We represent it. Alright, so you know what I mean? We're gonna go walk around. What's up, guys? What up? Alright, yo, we back here, kind of the back a little bit right now. Checking out a few more cars. You know what I mean? A couple more people over there. You know, some ladies. Some more people over here. Got a little bit of action. Mustang over there. Got the S2K.
There we go.
Crewmidnight, you know what I'm saying? We're still doing it big. No, we about to go check out this performance right here. Yo, you want to say what's up?
Yo, what up, man?
Say what's up to you too. Summer show off, man. Thomas right here.
Oh, yeah,
doing it big, baby.
Good.
Oh, yeah.
Ben right there.
For sure, for sure. Oh, man, stay cool. Hot as fuck.
Get this shit straight. I come from the heart. I never come fake.
Here we go, yo. We gonna go check out this show right now. Got the beautiful ladies over here, you know what I'm saying?
I feed it to the haters. I give them what to say. If you look into my eyes and tell me what you see, a real motherfucker will most claim that they be. I'm a really nice dude, but you don't wanna push. You got plenty in your butt. Take the time, wash your pussy. Should put me in the kitchen if you ain't the one cooking. Oh, this should be a crime. It's good looking. We'll break the hand and feature. She don't look at a lean. Shout out to all my people begging me for a seat. I'm fighting. Without you for a leader, you stick around long enough. I'm gonna make you a believer. Fuck that! Fuck that! Fuck that! Fuck that! You don't take no crap. got you back. No matter what my goals with me, I'm always gonna survive. What else am I supposed to? There ain't nowhere to hide. Supposed to reckon with. You don't know who you mess with. I ain't no vegetarian, but you eat for breakfast. Listen to my words, hope you get my message. Let my speech is slurred, I am not gonna correct my shit. Shit, man, watching how these people got to. They talk about me, they don't even know I'm watching. I sit back before the perfect time. I stand up to my throne, I begin my speech. Make shout out to everybody that hate me. You lose your credibility if you're underrated. I started at the bottom, always reaching for the top. You gotta really realize that now my ego's like, fuck that! Make some fucking noise, fuck that! Fuck that! Raise your fucking hands, fuck that! Fuck that!